Good morning, everyone. Our topic for today is Lesson 3-6. Use partial products to multiply one-digit numbers. You will find this lesson in page 125 up to page 128 from your book. Here is the learning objective for today's lesson. You're going to use place value and partial products to multiply 3 and 4-digit numbers by one-digit number. Let's analyze this problem. There are 6 elementary schools in a school district. Each school has 412 students. How many students are in the district? Solve this problem using any strategy you choose. Now, if we're going to analyze Kevin's work, Kevin uses the expanded algorithm and record the partial products. As you can see, what he did is he just simply multiplied 6 multiplied by 2, that is equivalent to 12. Then the next step is 6 multiplied by 10. Why 10? Because 1 is in the tens place and 1 multiplied by 10 is 10. So 6 multiplied by 10 is equivalent to 60. The next is 6 multiplied by 400. Why 400? Because 4 is in the hundreds place. So 4 multiplied by 100 is 400. So 6 multiplied by 400, that is 2,400. These 12, 60, and 2,400 are what we call the partial product. So if I'm going to add 12 plus 60 plus 2,400, so the answer is 2,472. For Stella's work, Stella uses an array to find the number of students in the district. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, which is 100 each. So I have 400, then 10 plus 2, so this is equivalent to 412. Another 412, 412, 412, 412, and 412. Okay? So that is equivalent to 2,472. Or by only adding each. This is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. That's why I have 12 here. Then this is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. I have 60. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, and each one is 100. So I have 2,400. So if I'm going to add all, it's the same answer, which is 2,472. Now, what shortcut could you use to check if your solution is reasonable? So you could round the factors, then multiply mentally. Like for example, 412 rounded to the nearest hundred is 400, then multiply by 6. So my answer or my estimated answer is 2,400. And 2,400 is close to my answer or the exact answer, which is 2,472. So my answer is reasonable. So what is one way to record multiplication? Let's analyze this problem. David read the baseball bats are weighed in ounces and that baseballs are hand sewn with double stitches. David wants to know how many ounces 6 baseball bats weigh and how many double stitches would be used in 6 baseballs. So you can record math with an algorithm. So how to answer? So 6 multiplied by 33. So what are we going to do is to multiply each place value to find the partial product, then add the partial products. So 33 multiplied by 6. So let's identify first the place value of 3. It's in the tens place. So 3 multiplied by 10 is 30. Then 3 is in the ones place. So 3 multiplied by 1 is 3. Then let's multiply to 6. So the first one is 6 multiplied by 3. That's why my first partial product is 80. Then 6 multiplied by 30, that is equivalent to 180. Then add the partial products, which is 180 plus 18. So the answer is 198. So the same thing if we're going to multiply 6 multiplied by 108. 8 is in the ones place, so 8 multiplied by 1 is 8. And if it is 0, the value is always 0. And 1 is in the hundreds place, so 1 multiplied by 100 is 100. Then multiply. So 6 multiplied by 8, that is 48. 6 multiplied by 0, that is 0. And 6 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 100, that is 600. So the answer, if we're going to add all the partial products, is equivalent to 648. Then, you're going to use rounding to estimate. So 6 multiplied by 100, because 108 becomes 100, is 600. So there are 648, which is the exact answer. Double stitches in 6 baseballs. And 600, my estimated answer, is close to 648. So my answer is reasonable. Mara used the algorithm shown at the right. Is Mara's work correct? Let's find out. So 1, the place value of 1, that is in 100, so the value is 100. The 2 is in the tens place, 2 times 10, that is 20. And 4 is in the ones place, 4 times 1 is 4. So the first one, we need to multiply 4 multiplied by 4, which is 16. 4 multiplied by 20 is 80. 4 multiplied by 100 is 400. So 400 plus 80 plus 16, 496. So the answer is yes. Mara found each partial product and added to find the correct product. Number 1. Seth found 374 multiplied by 3. What partial product is missing from Seth's work? So let's find out. The place value of 3 is 100, so this becomes 300. Because 3 times 100. The place value of 7 is tens place, so 7 times 10 is 70. The place value of 4 is in the ones place, 4 times 1 is 4. So 3 multiplied by 4, that is 12, that's correct. 3 multiplied by 70, the answer is 210. And 3 multiplied by 300, the answer is 900. So the missing is 210. So Seth's work is missing 210. So Seth multiplied the ones and the hundreds but did not multiply the tens place. Next, number 2. 117 multiplied by 5. So if I'm going to find out the place value of 1 that is in hundreds place, so 1 multiplied by 100 is 100. This is in the tens place, so 1 multiplied by 10 is 10. Then this is the ones place, that is 7. So first, I need to multiply 5 multiplied by 7, which is 35. Then 5 multiplied by 10 is 50. Then 5 multiplied by 100 is 500. Then I'm going to add all the partial products. This becomes 5, 8, and 5. So the answer is 585. Next, 2, the place value of 2 is in the hundreds place, so 2 multiplied by 100 is 200. Then 4 is in the tens place, so 4 multiplied by 10 is 40. And 3 is in the ones place, so 3 multiplied by 1 is 3. So 3 multiplied by 3 is 9. Then 3 multiplied by 40 is equivalent to 120. Then 3 multiplied by 200 is 600. So if I'm going to add all the partial products, the answer is 729. So it's your turn. Please answer the following. Find each product using an algorithm and draw pictures if needed. Time is up. So the answer is 1115. If you're going to find out if your answer is reasonable, you need to round 223 rounds to 200, and 200 multiplied by 5 is 1000, so 1000 is close to 1150. Number 5, the answer is 3,344. If you're going to find your answer if it's reasonable, you're going to round 480 to 400, and 400 multiplied by 8 is 3,200, and 3,200 is close to 3,344. Number 6, 193 multiplied by 3, so the answer is 579. So we're going to round to find if your answer is reasonable or not. 193 rounds to 200. 200 multiplied by 3 is 600. So 600 is close to 579. And for number 7, the answer is 20,419 if we're going to multiply 2,917 multiplied by 7. So 2,917, if you want to find if your answer is reasonable, 2,917, you need to round to 3,000. 3,000 multiplied by 7 is 21,000. So 21,000 is close to 20,419. Next, number 8, the answer is 828. Number 9, 1,582. Number 10, 1,936. Number 11, 8,200. Let's proceed to number 12. The bar diagram shows 4 groups of 225. Calculate 4 multiplied by 225 using an algorithm. So this is 200. This is 20 because it's in the tens place, and this is 5. So 4 multiplied by 200, there is 800. 4 multiplied by 20, that is 80. And 4 multiplied by 5 is 20. So if I'm going to add all of this, the answer is equivalent to 900. Okay, so next, let's proceed to number 13. There are usually 365 days in each year. Every fourth year is called a leap year and has one extra day in February. How many days are there in 8 years if 2 of the years are leap years? So the answer is 2,922 because you just simply multiply 365 days multiplied by 8 years, that is equivalent to 2,920. Then you need to add 2 days because every 4 years that is equivalent to leap year, and leap year has one extra day in February. So 4 years plus 4 years, that is 8 years, so we need to add 2 more days. That's why the answer is not 2,922. There are 1,250 seeds in each package. There are 5 packages. How many seeds are there in all? So the answer is 6,250. You just simply multiply 1,000 multiplied by 5, that is 5,000. 200 multiplied by 5, that is equivalent to 1,000. So 5,000 plus 1,000 is 6,000. Then 5 multiplied by 50 is 250. And 5 multiplied by 0 is 0. That's why the answer is 6,250. Number 15. A cat breeder has 6 Sphinx kittens and 7 Persian kittens for sale. If all 13 kittens sell, how much money will the breeder earn? So the Persian costs $698 and the Sphinx costs $775. So what are we going to do is to multiply 775 multiplied by 6, and Persian we need to multiply 698 multiplied by 7 because the total is 13 kittens. Okay, so if we're going to add 7 plus 6, that is 13. So the total answer is 9,536 because 6 multiplied by 775 is 4,650 and 7 multiplied by 698 is equivalent to 4,886. Once we add the two partial products, the answer is 9,536. Risha creates a design using 163 tiles. She doubles the number of tiles to make a second design. Her third design uses 3 times as many tiles as the second design. So how many tiles does Patricia use in her third design? Explain. So the answer is 978 tiles. First, you need to multiply 163 by 2. Then you multiply that product by 3 to find the number of tiles in the third design. Number 17. A charter boat holds 60 adults and 50 children. How many people can go on 4 character boats rides? Which are the 3 partial products that will be added to find the number of people that can go on 4 character boat rides? So the answer is 0. Okay, 40, 400.